Welcome to Whisked by Christy. We are starting off this festive season with my Boozy Black Forest Truffles. These little morsels only come in at 73 calories each, making them the perfect sweet treat to have with a coffee or to share with your loved ones this festive season. For this recipe, you'll need 25 grams of chocolate. I use dark, but you can use milk or white if you prefer. Half a tablespoon of cream, 1 teaspoon of brandy, or you can leave this out, my kids love the non-boozy version. 16 cherries, 100 grams of medjool dates, that's about 8 to 10 dates. 2 tablespoons of honey, half a cup of cocoa powder, plus a little extra to coat. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. Firstly, we're going to make a simple chocolate ganache. Chop up your chocolate, add your cream, and heat in the microwave for 20 seconds. If it's still lumpy, pop it back in the microwave for 10 seconds and stir again. Once mixed, add in your brandy and stir until combined. Place into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and set aside to firm up a little. Next, we're going to pit our cherries. This little guy has saved me so much time in the kitchen this cherry season. Fill your cherries with the chocolate ganache and place them in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes or until the ganache is set. In a food processor, add your dates, cocoa, honey, and coconut oil and process until smooth. If the mixture is crumbly, add a little more honey until it forms a ball. Next, mix in your coconut. Take about 1 tablespoon of the date mixture and flatten it into a disc. Wrap each cherry and pinch the seams. Roll to form a neat ball. Once you've done all the cherries, chill these in the fridge for 15 minutes or until firm. You can coat them in extra cocoa before serving. If you don't like bitter cocoa, then leave them plain and they are ready to serve. Enjoy!